In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Call of Duty mobile account. So all you have to do is launch the game on your device. And then once you get to the homepage, all you have to do is tap on settings, the settings icon rather, in the top right corner. And then from here, scroll through this menu and then find the legal and privacy option. Select that. And then within this page, all you have to do is find the delete account option. Now tap on go to proceed. Now you should get to this privacy and data protection page. So all you have to do is just scroll down and find this option, submit a new request. So tap on that and then scroll down and read all this information and then find until you get to this part. So this part, simply put in your country of residence. So tap on that and then put in the country that you are in. So select that. Then once you select it, check this box to confirm that you have read the above terms and you have confirmed your eligibility. So once you have done, all you have to do is scroll down and select proceed to privacy and data protection portal. So tap on it. Now in this page, all you have to do is scroll and select a request type. So since we want to delete our information, all you have to do is just tap on delete my personal information. Tap on that. And then we recommend you read all this information. So please log in into your accounts for which you'd like to submit a request to delete your personal information. So all you have to do is just scroll down after you've read all this. Scroll down and choose the method that you'd like to log into your Call of Duty mobile account. So if you have Epic Games, Battle.net, all these options. So for me, since I have an Activision account, all I have to do is just tap on Activision and then type in the email address and password. So let me just do that. So once you type in your email address and password, all you have to do is select I am not a robot and then complete this captcha step to verify your identity. So let me just complete it. Click on verify, and then once done, simply tap on login. Now give it a few seconds. Now once you have logged into your account, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see this all personal information for linked account will be deleted upon submission of your request. So this is your account details, the Activision ID. So all you have to do is simply scroll down and confirm I am not a robot again. So tap on that. And then once done, simply select accept Activision's terms of use. So check that. And then once done, simply tap on submit a request. And once you submit a request, your account will be deleted. And that's basically it on how to delete your account, or rather how to delete your Call of Duty mobile account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.